upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums to see which one will save your floors and your sanity. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, the king of clean. And on the right, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner, the underdog with a lot of bark and, hopefully, a lot of suction. Let's get into it. Cut to split screen with Roomba J7 on the left and ROPVACNIC on the right. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba J7 will set you back a cool $599. That's right, folks. For the price of a small island in the middle of nowhere, you can have this bad boy cleaning your floors. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC is a much more wallet-friendly $299. With the money you save, you can almost buy another ROPVACNIC. Or, dinner for two at a fancy restaurant. Your call. The Roomba J7 promises to clean when and where you want with its Imprint Smart Mapping. It's like having a butler who knows your house better than you do. Plus, it avoids those pesky stairs like it's allergic to heights. Reviews highlight its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition as key strengths, making it efficient on hardwood floors and low-pile rugs. The ROPVACNIC, however, comes with a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming system. That's right, folks, it vacuums and mops. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. And with a 4,000 pascals suction power, it's like a vacuum on steroids. Reviewers praise its impressive dirt pickup and thorough cleaning capabilities, making it a versatile cleaning tool. The Roomba J7 is set to automatically clean when you're away. It's like having a cleaning fairy that only works when you're not looking. Plus, with customizable clean zones, you can tell it exactly where to clean and where to keep out. It's basically the robot vacuum equivalent of a well-trained dog. Reviewers appreciate the advanced features and mapping capabilities that make it worth the higher price. The ROPVACNIC, meanwhile, offers comprehensive intelligent control with multiple cleaning modes and voice commands. That's right, you can boss it around like an overpaid assistant using Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having your very own Rosie from the Jetsons. Reviewers love its smart capabilities and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any home. Now, if you're a pet owner, the Roomba J7 is great because it doesn't get hung up and just gets the job done. No more finding it tangled in a web of pet hair, looking like it fought a losing battle with a Pomeranian. Reviewers commend its effectiveness in handling pet hair without getting stuck. The ROPVACNIC, however, is engineered specifically for pet owners. Its no entanglement design means you won't have to get your hands dirty untangling fur. Plus, its dual rotating electric side brushes will sweep up all that hidden pet hair. Reviewers highlight its powerful suction and efficient cleaning of pet hair as major advantages. Both the iRobot Roomba J7 and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner receive high praise from reviewers. The Roomba J7 is lauded for its advanced mapping, obstacle recognition, and efficient cleaning, making it a top choice for those willing to invest in a premium product. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC is celebrated for its affordability, versatility, and powerful cleaning capabilities, particularly for pet owners. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba J7 with its high-tech wizardry and the ROPVACNIC with its budget-friendly, pet-loving design. Both have their strengths and quirks, just like your favorite sitcom characters. Which one will you choose to be the hero of your home cleaning saga? Let us know in the comments below. Upbeat music playing. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart Showdown. Until next time, Keep shopping smart, and may your floors be ever clean. Product links are in the description.